Hi, I'm Julia with Blackbird & Company. It's unboxing day.
Congratulations, you've received your 7th grade level collection.
Each box has been carefully hand-packed to ensure that all items arrive to you undamaged. This means that the materials are not packed in any particular order. So let's open and organize the contents together.
In this box is everything you need for a fun and successful 7th grade language arts experience. Let's see what's in here. First and foremost, we have our unboxing list, poetry, tree of life, some super fun novels, our Taxonomy of Living Things guide along with another book, essay, Operation Lexicon, one true sentence, a teacher's helps, and our literature guides.
Now that we've opened and unboxed our materials, what now? A great place to start is with our unboxing handout. It's really important to read this super thin packet because it'll give you lots of guidance and strategies to get started. Blackbird & Company's curriculum is a really unique program designed to develop and encourage your students' reading, writing, and thinking skills. There are 6 components that make up your 7th grade level materials: literature and writing bundles, tools of style, book 3, Operation Lexicon, Emily Dickinson, Intro to the Essay, Volume 2, Poetry in Small Forms, Research Writing, Taxonomy of Living Things. The core component is the Literature and Writing Discovery Guides. You will find 6 of these student journals paired with 6 wonderful novels. You will also find a Teacher Helps, which covers levels 1 through 3. It is important to read this guide as it will help you understand what is expected of your child along the way. It's also a good idea to read through the front matter of one of the student journals and flip through to get a lay of the land. You only have to do this once as they're all very similar. Your 7th grade level collection will include The White Mountains, The Shakespeare Stealer, White Lilacs, The Folk Keeper, I Am David, and Out of the Dust. Sentences are simply a collection of words that convey an idea. When well-crafted sentences are connected wisely one after another, that idea grows deeper and wider. But without the basic tools of construction, grammar, punctuation, and style, meaning and communication are lost. This is where One True Sentence comes in. Instructions can be found in the first few pages of the guide. Your 7th grade One True Sentence is Tools of Style, Book 3. Operation Lexicon is vocabulary development. Using words in an original way will help young wordsmiths delight in the beauty of language. Your 7th grade Operation Lexicon celebrates the adored poet Emily Dickinson. Your 7th grade collection also includes Introduction to the Essay Volume 2. This volume mentors students in the art of writing a descriptive essay. Your collection will also include small forms poetry. In this volume, students will be introduced to small forms such as haiku, the 7-ling, line break, and more. Next, we have Research Writing, Taxonomy of Living Things, and the 2 books that accompany it. This material will guide students on a journey through the wonders of the living world. Students will explore and write about the diversity of the 5 kingdoms. Remember that there are dive deeper resources in your unboxing handout as well as on our website under our parent-teacher dropdown. Contact us anytime you need fine-tuning. We're always here to help. I've had so much fun unboxing the 7th grade language arts collection with you. Remember, you can do this and you're the hero.